I'm going to connect to to my M trading account and also my Hot Forex account. And I'm going to quickly show you how to get to your account where you can create a demo account by yourself. It is the same process of creating a demo account that you have used to create your live account. You don't need to create any live account any longer. You've already done that, because without you doing that, I wouldn't have allowed you to take this training. So there is no reason. So, but for the demo is the same way you create a live that you create a demo. All right, so I'm going to be sharing my screen now so that you can see my phone screen and then what I'm doing. Screen share. I just hope I don't have any hacker that is watching me. All right, so you can see my screen right now. So what am I going to do? What am I doing right now is I want to log in, let's say, to an M trading account. So if you log into your M trading account just like this, and then you scroll down, you will see a place. Me, I've already opened a demo account before. So just log into your M trading account. You're going to see a place that is called demo account, or you see open new demo account. Just click on the sign, and then it's going to bring up this. So it's demo account that you are opening. You can see if you want to open a live account, it's the same thing. Just click on live account. So, but for now, we are opening a demo account. That's what we are trading. We want to have. We already have live account. Everybody has a live account. The username and password and server details of your live account that you opened, you should know it by now, or you can go and create another password. Please note this. I cannot teach you everything about this platform. You know why? I too am just a user, so I can only teach you the basics. Then you should play around with it and learn more about it. So don't give up because you weren't able to get something and say, I'm tired. It's you, it's not me. So try to maximize the opportunity, play around with it. Nobody taught me. You understand? So but I believe you too can do it. So demo, and then select this, and then you can click on. So the leverage is 1 to 500. So just select. I'll say some things about leverage after this training. We have some other things to learn tonight. So just click on open new demo account. Just like this, I have opened a demo account. That's just it. I've opened a demo account. So this is the demo account that was opened for me. So what I should do right now is just go to my email address. Just go to your email, and then a username and password would have been sent to you. Let me see. The demo account has been opened for me. So this is my email. The same thing, you're going to see yours. So this is my user access ID. This is my password. And then they should give me a connecting server. So they've put $5,000 in my account. Let me see. Okay, M Trading only has one connecting server. Don't worry, I'm quickly going to do for people that are on Hot Forex too. So that's why we need to quickly do this as fast as possible. So once you have done this, what you need to do is just go to your MT4. For those that have not downloaded MT4, I've said go to Play Store and look for MT4, because I think I don't think I'm supposed to be showing how to go to Play Store for people, but for just to fulfill all righteousness, let me go there. So MT4, I'm clicking on MT4, and then you can see it will bring it out. Just download it. Me, I already have it on my phone, so I don't need to download it. All right, so now open the MT4. It's going to look like this. So once it looks like this, what you need to do is click on the plus sign to either connect your demo or your live account. It's the same process. So click on log into an existing account. Then you look for the M-Trade, just type M-Trading. So it should bring out something. Okay, you can see, is it bringing out? No, it's not M trading. Let me type it fully. M trading. You can see. So if you are connecting to your live account, you select M trading live. If you are connecting to a demo account, you select M trading demo. So I'm connecting to a demo. So I'm going to enter my username and password. So I'll go back to my email. I'll copy. Please don't type, copy. Please copy. I'll copy it, then come back to this place, then paste it, then go back and take my password again. This is my password, not investor's password though. So it's normal password. So I've copied it. Then I'll come back. This is what I told some people to do for the URL to watch the video. Some people were having issue with that. So I've copied and then I've pasted. Then I click on sign in. So I click on save password so that I don't need to do this same thing again. You can see it has connected my trading account. It's the same way it's going to connect your M trading account too. Is that okay? Your live account. So now I'm connected to that account. I'm connected like this to that account. So this is your live trading account. I want to also connect for those using Forex. I want to connect to that as well once and for all. So I'm going to try to go to my browser. I want to check my, so open what you need to do. Oh, sorry, you can see these are the reasons why I don't share audio. It's still secure. All right, so I'm connecting to my Forex account, just like I did to that. Then once you are connected, what you need to do is just click on my accounts and then click on open demo if it's live, but you already have a live account. That's the reason you don't need to create a new one. Open demo account. So I'm opening a new demo. I hope they'll be allow me to open a demo because I've created multiple demo accounts. So I hope they've not. Okay, you can see, you will see MT4 demo. Don't open MT4 contest. So I think they've disabled me from opening a demo account because I have opened severally. So, but I am going to make use of the ones that I've opened. So if this is your first time, you're going to see something like this beside this MT4 demo contest. You're going to see MT4 demo. So that demo account, just select that. So that's how you create your demo account. Me, it's not this contest that I want, but I can't open another one because I've created a lot. I still created another one, a new one yesterday. So now I'm going to go back to my email. I think I have an MT4 a lot. So I'm going to use this one account. These are, so they are going to send it to your email. So I'm going to use this to connect right now. When you are connecting, same to copy your account, your logon detail, come to your MT4, click on the plus sign, and now select. You need to, the first thing you need to look out for is what is your connecting server. Please, your connecting server for those using Forex is different. So just copy and paste whatever they give you. So it's always different. So scroll down. So this is my server. So just copy this thing. That should be the first you should copy. You can see whatever is here is what you should copy. Please, it usually changes. So don't just go and write it there. So it's going to search for, you should search for it. MT4 demo, you can see demo server, my email, and then select my account detail, copy, and then paste. I'm pasting it here. Then I'm going to go back to the email again, my password, trader password. So be sure that you don't write, stop typing. It's not going to work when you type. Copy and paste. So I've copied that. And then I'm going back to the MT4. Then I'm going to click on sign in. Sign. I'm waiting for it. Okay. let's just use one of them, either Forex or M trading, anyone. So I want to use M trading. So it has connected me to M trading. You can have multiple accounts connected on just your MT4 platform, multiple. So, and then you switch from one to the other. All right, depending on what you are doing. So from your live to your demo, you can be switching. All right, so now, if you want to take trade, this is what you do. You come to this account, then you look for quote. If you are looking for a trade and then it's not listed here, you can add it by clicking on the plus sign and then add the trade. Let's say Canadian NZD, New Zealand Swiss franc. So I just click on it and then it has added it like that. I can add this like this. As I'm clicking on it, it's adding it to the list of what I can see there. So you can see that the list, you can add as many currency pair. It's called currency pair. So that when I say, okay, we are trading on Euro NZD, you know how to go and get it if you cannot see it on this list. Please, on my own, no, you have to go and look for it, search for it, and you will see it. All right. So for you to take a trade now, what do you need to do? You can select, just double click on it. I mean, tap down on it. It's going to bring out this. Open the chart. This is how you check a chart. Do you understand? This is how you check a chart. If you want to take a trade, come to the right at the top, the plus file. Click on it. It's going to bring you here. So if you are entering a trade, you can either click on buy by market or sell by market. If I say buy, so you're going to click on buy by market. If I say sell, you're going to click on sell by market. So this is what you need to do. Is that okay? So now I'm going to click on buy to enter a trade. I've just entered a trade. It's the same process, whether on M trading or Forex or any broker, is the same thing. MT4 is a generic application. It's an open source that people can use. So I've entered the trade now. As you can see, I'm live in the trade. Is that okay? I'm live in the trade, and then I've taken the trade. So now, how do you set your stop loss and take profit? As I earlier explained, I explained something that you have to set your take profit. Your take profit is the TP, your stop loss is the SL. So come up again, then you click on modify order. Modify order. For those that might be thinking I'm too fast, after this training, you just try to watch the recording. So, and go to be pausing it and then be playing it at your own pace. Is that okay? All right. So now, just if, for instance, now don't forget I entered the trade at 109.132. That's the amount that I entered the trade. How do if I say the take profit is 500 points, which you can call 50 pips. So what you should do is this 109.132, add 500 to it. How do you add 500 to something like this? I know some people don't know how to do decimal, but it's normal. So you have to count it from the back. 109.132. How do you add 500 pips points to it? Let me use calculator 109.132 so that people can see how I'm going to calculate it. I can do it without using a calculator, but let me just some people, for people's sake, so that they understand much better. Okay, 109 points. I forgot, 109.132. 109.132. 132. So it's a buy trade. Whenever it's a buy trade, you will add 500 to it. And then your stop loss will be minus 1,000, only if I say otherwise. So, but if it's a sell trade, if you took a sell trade, you know that when you take a sell trade, you are hoping that the price will drop. It is when the price keeps dropping that you are making profit. So if the price keeps going up, you are losing. So If it's a sell trade, you will not add plus 500 points. You will do minus 500 from the price. So it's going to be minus. And then your stop loss will now be plus 1,000. The opposite of what you do for buy is what you do for sell. It's very simple. So we took a buy trade. So now it will be this plus 500. You just don't write the 500. You have to turn it into decimal place. How many decimal places is this? 1, 2, 3. So you say 0.500. That is, you've turned it into decimal place. Anybody that doesn't know this, please just take your time and then Google how to add to decimal. You will get the answer there. Please, is that okay? This is not a mathematics class. So the answer will be 109.632. That's the answer. I've added. Please let everybody mute their audio. All right. So I'm going to go back here and then I'm going to paste it here. You can see I've pasted value. Do I have history? This one. Okay. Let me come back to history, which is it's not giving me the 109.132. That's what I want. Close 109.132. Plus, now it's going to be minus 1,000. So you have to take the 1,000 to decimal. If you want to take 1,000 to this decimal, it's going to be 123.1. Take it to the front. So it will be 1.000. You can see it's still 1,000. That's it. Please, with time, if you do not get the mathematics, it's just normal math. So with time, it will sink into your head. You don't need to be frightened because of these little decimal places. If you have time, go and Google how to convert to decimal. All right. So just click on this, and then you have just convert. This is the calculation of your stop loss. Just copy it and then paste it in your trade paste. Then this modify button will now be active. If you do a wrong calculation, this modify button will not be active. It means your calculation is wrong. So I'm going to click on modify now. So I have just set my take profit and stop loss. That is all you need to do when you are told to take a trade. That is all. Your stop loss is there, your take profit is there, you have entered the trade, and that is all. When you want to close the trade, you tap it like this, and then you click on close order. That's just it. So the cell will look like, because some people might get confused right now that why is this one okay? Is this not what I did before? Okay. Let's open chart. I'm going to quickly do it because of our time. We need to stop this by in a few minutes time. Okay, I'm clicking on the plus again. I'm entering. I want to take a sell, so I'm clicking on sell. I've entered sell trade. Now I want to create my take profit and stop loss. I'm holding it down. Modify order. Then I said, and then plus 1,000. My entry is 0.77569. 0.77569. Let's go to the calculator. 0.77569. I hope I'm correct. Let me check to be sure. 569. Okay. So this now is in 5 decimal places. I want to subtract 500 as my take profit. It's going to be minus. How many decimal is this? 5. So it's going to be 0.00500. Can you see in 5 decimal places? They must look alike. This is 5 decimal places. The earlier one we did was 3 decimal places. So this is 5 decimal places. They must be on the same decimal slot. All right. So equals to what? This is the answer. And then what do I do? Come back to my trade, paste it here. That's it. You can see the modify button has been activated. Then my stop loss. My stop loss now 0.77569. The same thing, I'm going to come back to my calculator, 0.77569 plus, because it's sell trade, meaning that if the price goes higher instead of coming down, so if the price is going to go higher, you have to plus. So my stop loss will be 1,000. 1,000 is 4 decimal, but this is 5 decimal places. So I'm going to do 0.01. That is all. I have entered a sell trade, and then when you click on it, you will see what you've entered, see my take profit for both of them, and then that is all that you